Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying your PC meets requirements and that you legally own the Xbox 360 game files. Once done, install the Visual C++ and DirectX runtimes. The emulator needs them to run. Next, unpack Xenia into a clean folder and unblock the exe and file properties. Make sure GPU drivers are current. Older drivers often cause crashes. By the time you finish these steps, the emulator and game files should be ready in one location for the next setup phase. Open Xenia to create its config files, then close the program to edit them. Change the GPU backend to Vulkan if available for better compatibility, and switch to Direct 3D12 only if Vulkan fails. Set output resolution and enable the FPS limiter to match 30 or 60 frames per second depending on the title. Map your Xbox 360, or generic controller in device settings, and enable shader cache to reduce stutters. Once configured, you'll be ready to launch the game image. Load the ISO or the extracted game folder in Xenia and press Start. Expect initial shader stutter as caches build. If performance is low, lower internal resolution or limit CPU threads, and toggle VSync or anisotropic filtering to remove tearing. For graphical glitches, try the other GPU backend. If the game won't boot, re-rip the disk using a verified tool and confirm the image is complete. One key troubleshooting tip: keep the emulator and GPU drivers updated and test alternate backends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.